Hello, restaurant owners, and welcome back to another episode of this unnamed podcast. I'm Angel, and today we're talking about how do you make a slow restaurant busy? Do you own a restaurant that's often slow and not as busy as you'd like it to be? You're not alone. Today we're going to share some effective strategies to change that. Picture this: an empty tables, unoccupied chairs, and a lack of chatter. This isn't the atmosphere you envisioned when you started your restaurant business, is it? First, let's talk about attracting new customers. Leverage the power of social media. Showcase your delicious dishes, post enticing offers, and engage with your audience. T. Online ordering and food delivery platforms are booming. Partner with popular delivery services to reach a wider audience without adding more tables. Host special events. Themed nights, live music, or exclusive tastings can draw in crowds and create buzz around your restaurant. Loyalty programs work wonders. Offer discounts or free items to your regular customers. Keep them coming back and encourage them to bring friends. Don't underestimate the power of online reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive feedback on platforms like Yelp and Google. Providing excellent service is essential. Friendly staff, prompt service, and great customer experiences will bring patrons back and attract new ones. Lastly, consistency is key. Stick to a schedule. Maintain quality and keep the momentum going. By implementing these strategies, you can transform your slow restaurant into a bustling one. Remember, it's all about attracting, engaging, and retaining customers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on restaurant success. If you'd like personalized guidance on implementing these strategies or have questions about increasing your restaurant's foot traffic, don't hesitate to reach out to our agency. You can connect with us through our website at luceromarketing.com or give us a call at 973-224-2708. We are here to help you succeed.